Happy Thursday, setters. So today I wanted to be a seller of the stock indices. Unfortunately, I couldn't get an entry at the beginning, but now we've seen the stock tanking. Remember, a couple of weeks ago, I said I will be investing on inverse ETF on QQQS, which I'm still in. I topped up a little bit more today. Sometimes trading is about timing, so I need to wait for the most elegant entry to enter. But buying stocks, like even the inverse ETF, might be an easier way to hedge your portfolio. I still want to be a gold seller, but it's now 10 o'clock. I don't want to trade at this time, so I'll wait until tomorrow morning before I will take any action. So the trade is now cancelled, and tomorrow 6 o'clock I'll get up and then wait for a breakout. Still keeping my eyes on the German DAX, and the cats broke out already. I think the German DAX has got a cleaner entry. So stay tuned. If you are members, I'll drop you guys a trading idea tomorrow morning. Otherwise, happy trading, healthy investing. Thank you.